Which state receives the highest rainfall in India? A. Kerala, B. Meghalaya, C. Assam. Correct answer is B. Meghalaya. Which tree gives the most oxygen? A. Peepal, B. Neem, C. Mango. Correct answer is A. Peepal. Which bird lays its eggs in another bird's nest? A. Cuckoo, B. Pigeon, C. Myna. Correct answer is A. Cuckoo. What is the average lifespan of a dog? A. 8 to 10 years, B. 10 to 13 years, C. 15 to 18 years. Correct answer is B. 10 to 13 years. In which country was tea first cultivated? A. India, B. Japan, C. China. Correct answer is C. China. Which country once ruled over America? A. Spain, B. Britain, C. France. Correct answer is B. Britain. When was India Gate in Delhi completed? A. 1931, B. 1925, C. 1942. Correct answer is A. 1941. How many teeth does a 5-year-old child have? A. 20, B. 24, C. 28. Correct answer is A. 20. In which country was paper invented? A. India, B. China, C. Japan. Correct answer is B. China. Where did the British establish their first factory in India? A. Mumbai, B. Surat, C. Madras. Correct answer is B. Surat. Which animal's heart beats 1000 times? A. Rat, B. Lizard, C. Squirrel. Correct answer is B. Lizard. Which bird is the national symbol of Spain? A. Vulture, B. Kite, C. Eagle. Correct answer is C. Eagle. In which city was the first metro train started in India? A. Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata. Correct answer is C. Kolkata. Where are the most silk sarees made in India? A. Varanasi, B. Mysore, C. Kanchipuram. Correct answer is C. Kanchipuram. Which is the oldest sport in the world? A. Wrestling, B. Football, C. Hockey. Correct answer is A. Wrestling. Which animal's milk never freezes? A. Camel, B. Goat, C. Buffalo. Correct answer is a camel. What was the old name of Bank of India? A. Imperial Bank of India. B. Hindustan Bank. C. United Bank. Correct answer is A. Imperial Bank of India. Before 1964, when was Children's Day celebrated? A. The 1st of July. B. The 20th of November. C. 2 October. Correct answer is B. 20 November. What is the average lifespan of a human? A. 60 to 70 years. B. 70 to 80 years. C. 80 to 90 years. Correct answer is B. 70 to 80 years. What is the national fruit of Pakistan? A. Banana. B. Apple. C. Mango. Correct answer is C. Mango.